So, what is research ethics? According to World Health Organization 2015, research ethics govern the standard of conduct for scientific researchers. Research ethics is important to adhere to ethical principles in order to protect the dignity, rights, and welfare of research participants. Three importance of ethics in research that will be discussed in this video.
One of the importance in research ethics is to promote the objectives of research. This aims to gain the public support and boost their confidence in the quality of research. The objectives of research should adhere to the principle of beneficence, meaning that the benefits are maximized while ensuring that potential harms from the research are minimized. Additionally, in order to promote the research objectives, established rules and guidelines should be followed to avoid misconduct of research. The definition of research misconduct by Medical Research Council in 1997 are stated as follows. Research misconduct could lead to reduce the public confidence, jeopardize the reputation of researchers, and halt the scientific knowledge progresses. Therefore, the responsibility of researchers when conducting a research in an ethical manner is important to promote the objectives of research to publics.
Hello. One of the importance of ethics in research is the consent, possibility, and causing harm. Let's take a look on this subject. Concept explain that the subject voluntarily express their willingness to participate in a particular trial and fully informed of all aspects of the trial related to the decision of the subject to participate. Informed consent must be obtained from a participant. It needs to be voluntary, provide free and sufficient informed. It is also important that the participants are given with additional relevant information related to clinical trials and research studies.
The idea of upholding the privacy and confidentiality rights of research participants is one of the central principles of all scientific research. In this context, privacy and confidentiality implement to the study with using human participants or human data. According to Wimbaum et al. In 2019, the word privacy refers to the research participants have the right to monitor access to the personal details and their bodies throughout the processing of biological specimens. Participants can monitor how others view, touch, or get their information. Meanwhile, confidentiality stands for researchers must shield the private information they obtain from being disclosed. Confidentiality is an addition to the concept of privacy, which is referring to the understanding and agreement of the individual on ways in which identifiable data will be processed and shared. When it comes to personal data protection, absolute confidentiality is sometimes unforeseen. To tackle this issue, the best approach is to have minimal transparency. In other words, personal information may be shared between researchers who needed to access the data but not with a non-trustworthy party.